Legends define their time. The iconic design. The pilot killer. The legendary prototype.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Boon's Hero Hub. And this is Avery, our AI assistant.
I am Avery, the channel's designated AI assistant.
I feel excited to share with you about YF-19 HG today. Maybe it is bad, maybe it is good. Let's check it out.
The YF-19 was a game changer. As a prototype from Shinsei Industries for the Project Supernova fighter program, it evolved from the VF-11 Thunderbolt. Its most radical feature was the forward-swept wings, which allowed for unparalleled maneuverability, especially in atmospheric flight. It also introduced a pinpoint barrier system for its Garwarp and Batroid modes. Despite being incredibly demanding to pilot, the YF-19's groundbreaking design set a new standard for future variable fighters.
Alright, let's get this box open. First thing first, this box is pretty thick. It's even a bit thicker than the mighty Strike Rhythm's HG box. Inside, we got 7 runners, a small PE runner and 2 sticker sheets. Just looking at all this multicolored plastic, I can tell this is going to be exciting.
This is where Bandai's new approach really shines. The kit uses polarized molding for the canopy, so you'll get some cool color shifts depending on the light. The runners are also engineered for their shortcut change system.
Oh yeah, a manual. I'm really happy. This is a full booklet and not just a folded sheet of paper. The full color cover is a nice touch, and the inside is neatly organized with clear grayscale diagram for every step. It's perfect for beginners. So I finished the plain build, and it took me around 3 hours. The panel lining alone took a whole hour, and the sticker will probably take me another 30 minutes. Honestly, the sticker adds a lot of detail sometimes, but building model is supposed to be for fun and leisure. What's the point if it ends up becoming a new kind of stress?
I understand your frustration. The shortcut change system has a very clear goal, which is to simplify the transformation process and focus on the final form. This kit also features a pursuit of form philosophy. It's designed to be a highly accurate representation of the YF-19's form, and that can sometimes come at the cost of the build process. Now, with the plain build complete, we can see the results of that multicolored plastic and those stickers. It truly makes the YF-19 look like the iconic YF-19.
And a beautiful one at that. It stands about 15.5 cm tall, and it feels pretty light, weighing in at around 65 grams.
The kit structure itself is very solid, as the legs have a built-in sliding structure with multiple movable points. This allows for both excellent articulation and a smooth transformation.
The accessories are great. We have a few different hand postures, a gun port, a shield, transformation parts, the landing gear for the fighter mode. And we can't forget the pinpoint barrier punch effect parts. Those are huge bonus.
According to the design specifications, the various movable points work together to give it a wide range of movement, including both forward and backward tilt.
The head moves just like a regular HG. The shoulders can be moved forward and backward. It can raise its arm to more than 90 degrees, which is really impressive. The elbow is about 90 degrees, which is fine for me. And for the legs, the side split is around 90 degrees. The knee then are excellent too. The transformation experience isn't as seamless as the more expensive kit, but I feel so happy and touched by it. I honestly can't believe that in my lifetime I will see my beloved YF-19 redesigned in the HG bullet frame. The shortcut change is simple to get hang of, but if you do need to be careful about wear and tear on the parts. Once you get used to it, it only takes about 2 minutes to transform. But for a newbie, I'd say it will take 5 to 10 minutes with the manual.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break. All the way heartache, 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 all the way heartache.
Alright everyone, that's all for today's review. On a scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate this kit? Please let us know in the comment below.
Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching.